Hello everyone! So today I'm gonna show you how to put your Motorola Edge 50 Pro into safe mode. So first of all, press and hold your power button right here until you'll see your power off screen. Now press your power off option and you will be prompted to reboot to safe mode. Press OK. Now let's give it a few seconds to reboot. Alright, we've just rebooted our phone, so now let's unlock it. And as you can see right here, we're in the safe mode. What's the difference? In this mode, only pre-installed apps will work. Any apps we've added will be temporarily disabled and appear transparent. So now to return to our normal mode, once again, press and hold the power button and simply press restart and we will be restarted into a normal mode. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.